Okay, so uh, open up the block, click two cards with flip. It's right here. Um, it's right here. When I am clicked, so when we open it up, first thing that we check if we're running out of life. So if there's no life left, we are broadcasting lost and we losing. It's supposed to remove clones. Then if not, this is when click is equal to 0. That means that this is the first card, and the first card that we're about to take the information of is going to be like all the information is going to go to the card clone in memory. So memory card is our first card. We're going to get all the information. We're going to convert our we're going to kind of map like not really map, but we're going to convert coordinates with coordinates of our data structure, which is a list that we created. So and then we're gonna flip the card. That's where it goes. Switch to costume, card clone, and memory costume number. Uh, because we have to convert between numbers of our costumes of clones and actually convert that with coordinates on our board, and whatever ones two three coordinates of x and y we have in our data structure. So then if it's not the first card that we're clicking, if it's click already equals to 1, that we're checking that we're not gonna click on the second time on the same card, because it would be kind of cheating. We're gonna click on each card twice and we're gonna win the game. So then we change our click by 1, which means we clicked if it's not the issue. Then we're gonna take all the information the same as for memory card in memory. We're gonna take and it's card called current card. So now we're gonna flip this card. After we take all the info, converting our coordinates, then we're gonna flip the card. We change the current costume, uh, and then we do the check. So this is where check is performed. Alright, it's a comment. So over here, we performed flip, and then after that, this is where we're doing the check. So we check in here whether these two cards have the same costume number. That's the only way you can determine that these clones have the same costume. So and since we already put them on over here, we just check, and then we have to double check whether there's this last card that we just flipped, and if it is a case and they have the same costume, that means that we win, and we delete the clones and we just change the background. If if it's not the last card, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two cards because we just guessed, we just made a guess, and that's where this happens. This is where add comments. This is where this happens, and we just add over here the two blocks, or that's two lists of our cards that has been removed from the board. Okay, and over here the outer else is where we change our lives by -1, which means that we have less lives, and if then we just reset our click, uh, and Also, we check whether there are no lives, and if it's the case, then we just the game is over. So that's pretty much it.